Are your calls showing up as no caller ID on someone else's phone? Here's how to turn that off on your iPhone. First, open Settings. Scroll down and tap Phone. Now look for Show My Caller ID. Tap on it. If the toggle is off, that means your number is hidden. When you call someone, they'll see no caller ID. To fix this, simply turn the toggle on. Once it's on, your phone number will appear normally when you make a call. That's it. Now, if you don't see the Show My Caller ID option, it may be restricted by your carrier. In that case, contact your mobile provider to enable caller ID on your line. Also remember, this setting only controls outgoing calls. If you're receiving no caller ID calls, that means the other person has hidden their number. And that's how you turn off no caller ID on iPhone. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips.